The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for northern Cook County, eastern DuPage County, eastern Lake County, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:34 p.m., National Weather Service radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Westmont and moving north-northeast at 50 miles per hour. This tornadic thunderstorm will be near North Lake, Bensonville, Franklin Park, and Stone Park around 8:45 p.m., O'Hare Airport, Rosemont, Park Ridge, and Schiller Park around 8:50 p.m., Des Plaines, Niles, Morton Grove, and Mount Prospect around 8:55 p.m., Northbrook, Glenview, and Northfield around 9 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include River Grove, Elmwood Park, Gulf, Highwood, and Lake Bluff. This tornado warning is an upgrade to the severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect for the same area. Go to a basement or small interior room on the lowest floor